Mastering subtle English. Play up to someone. Unveiled. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that often puzzles learners: play up to someone. Understanding such phrases is crucial for mastering the subtleties of English. So, let's break it down together. The phrase, play up to someone, refers to the act of behaving in a way that is designed to make oneself more likable or favorable to another person, often for personal gain. It involves flattering, complimenting, or acting in a way that appeals to someone's ego or preferences. For example, if someone laughs at all the jokes of their boss, agrees with them more than usual, or compliments them excessively, they might be trying to play up to their boss. To help you grasp how this phrase is used in real-life scenarios, let's go through some examples. 1. In the workplace. I noticed that Alex is always playing up to the manager, hoping to get a promotion. 2. Among friends. She only plays up to you when she needs a favor. 3. In politics. Candidates often play up to their potential voters by making promises that appeal to their interests. Understanding these examples can help learners recognize when someone is trying to ingratiate themselves with others, which is a valuable insight into interpersonal dynamics. It's important to recognize the fine line between genuine kindness and playing up to someone. The key difference lies in the intent. Playing up is often done with a specific goal in mind, like gaining favor, whereas genuine actions are motivated by sincere feelings. Furthermore, this phrase can have a negative connotation, suggesting manipulation or insincerity. Being aware of this can help learners navigate English-speaking social environments more adeptly. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, play up to someone, and enriched your understanding of English's intricate nuances. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the intentions and emotions they convey. Keep exploring, and you'll find yourself becoming more proficient and confident in your English language journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.